Summer bugs have entered the chat, and Tsunami Express Car Wash is leaving them on red. Swing through for a grand slam cleaning. Find your nearest location today. Tsunami Express Car Wash. Wash, chill, repeat.
Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from near Evansville to 6 miles south of Edgerton to near Janesville, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Janesville, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Milton, Edgerton, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Rome, Albion, Hebron, Rockdale, Buffalo, Cooksville, and Indian Ford. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Delivers in the clutch. On deck, the station.